What's up, you guys? It's your girl Imani here, back for another deep condition with me. For today, I'm using my Alakain Naturals avocado cream, which you guys have seen before, and I am trying out the Hot Head by Thermal Hair Care. They kindly gifted this to me a couple weeks ago for review. This video is not sponsored, but I have been dying to try this for the longest. If you guys don't know what it is, I will link their Instagram in the description box below, but it is pretty much a way for you to deep condition with heat without having to use any direct heat, anything like a blow dryer, a hooded dryer, anything like that. It's right on the cap and it just makes deep conditioning a lot easier. So this is actually my first time that I'm going to be trying this with my deep condition session, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. So if you're excited, just keep on watching. As you guys know, when I deep condition, I do split my hair into 4 sections just to make life a lot easier, and I rake it through, trying to get every strand of my hair. I'm actually running low with my deep conditioner this go round, so I'm using it pretty sparingly but still doing my best to get it on every strand. Okay, so now that I'm all done, I'm going to use a plastic cap, not a plastic bag this time, since Thermal Hair Care did also gift me these plastic caps, to just throw on top of my head before I activate the hot head. So pretty much I'm just putting it in the microwave. First, I'm setting it this way with it facing down with the little plastic part facing up, and I am microwaving it on 45 seconds. So I'm actually going to do this 3 times, as you guys will see. The first time this way. The second time I'm actually going to turn it inside out, as you guys see here, and then microwave it for another 45 seconds. And then once it is done microwaving again for that 45 seconds, I turn it inside out again and microwave it for another 45 seconds. So that's what it said on the instructions, and I went ahead and put it on my head for about 10 minutes or so, and I gotta tell you guys, I love the way it felt on my head. It wasn't too hot. I think I could have added like another 45 seconds to it, which the instruction says that you can if you feel like you need a little extra heat. But I sat with it for like 10 minutes. Not even sat. I got to do like house chores while I had it sitting, which was amazing to me. I wasn't like trapped under my hooded dryer for too long while I got a good deep condition session in. Also, when I took the cap off, it was really nice to see that the cap was still pretty warm. So I could get another like 5 or 10 minutes out of that and not have to pop it back in the microwave if I needed to. So it was nice. It was pretty long lasting. And I'm feeling the cap. I am. When I took it off, as you guys can see, the deep conditioner was definitely in my strands nicely, as if I sat under the hooded dryer. And, you know, my detangling brush was going through my strands pretty nicely. And I'm a fan, you know. It was nice and moisturized, exactly how I like it when I use, you know, direct heat. So bottom line, guys, I'm really happy with my new deep conditioning cap. I will be posting their link in the description box below. Make sure you check them out. Again, this is not sponsored. I just love it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.